So the question is, how fast does the slope of the curve y is equals to x squared plus x plus 1 quantity squared change at the point where x is equals to 2? So we know that to find the how fast the slope of the curve is, we need to get the second derivative now. And so how can we get the second derivative? So first we need to get the first derivative of this function. So y prime is equals to, we're gonna use the chain rule. So the exponent will be basa harap, x squared plus x plus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and then derivative nitong nasa loob, 2x plus 1. Okay, so that's the first derivative. So first we have to distribute it, so para mas madali siyang i-derive, para mas madaling kunin yung second derivative niya. So 2 x squared times 2x, 2x cubed, x squared times 1 is x squared, x times 2x is 2x squared, x times 1 is x, 1 times 2x is 2x, 1. Okay, so next, combine like terms. 2x cubed, wala siyang partner, diba? So isa lang yun siya. And then x squared pati x squared, meron tayo maging 3x squared. So x squared plus 2x squared is 3x squared. So next is x plus 2x, that will become 3x plus 1. And then we're gonna distribute the 2. 2, wag na natin distribute. So wait, distribute na lang natin. So distribute natin. So 2 times 2, 4x cubed. 2 times 3, 6x squared. 2 times 3, 6x plus 2. Nakuha na natin ang first derivative. So next, kunin natin ang second derivative niya para mahanap na natin yung slope. So remember that second derivative tells us the second, note natin, note that second derivative tells us the rate of change of the slope. Yan ang sinasabi ng second derivative sa atin, no? Binibigay niya yung rate of change ng slope natin. So given yung x natin, di ba? So next gawin natin is so alam natin kailangan yung second derivative. So derive natin ulit siya ulit. Y derivative ng y prime, y double prime. Derivative ng 4x cubed, 3 times 4 is 12, minus 1, 2. 2 times 6 is 12x. So 1 times 6, 6. X, 1 times 1 minus 1 is 0. Anything raised to 0 is equals to 1. So derivative of a constant is always 0. So we know that x is equals to 2, where x is equals to 2, y double prime, bansak lang natin yan para makuha natin yung second derivative. Second derivative tells us the rate of change, or the speed, the slope, how fast the slope. 12x squared, 2 squared plus 12, 6. Okay, so 2 squared is 4, 12 times 2 is 24 plus 6. So 12 times 4 is 40 plus 8, 48 plus 24 plus 6 is 30. So 40 plus 30, 70 plus 8, 78. So this is our answer. This is how fast the slope of the curve change at the point where x is equals to 2.